Chloroplasts are organelles found in plant and algal cells that are responsible for photosynthesis, the process by which light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of organic molecules. Chloroplasts contain a complex system of membranes, pigments, and enzymes that work together to capture and convert light energy into a form that can be used by the cell. Chloroplasts are typically oval or disc-shaped organelles that range in size from 2 to 10 micrometers. They are surrounded by a double membrane, consisting of an outer membrane and an inner membrane. Within the chloroplast is a complex system of membranes called the thylakoid system, which consists of flattened sacs called thylakoids. These thylakoids are arranged in stacks called grana and are surrounded by a fluid-filled region called the stroma. The thylakoid membranes contain a variety of pigments, including chlorophyll, which are responsible for absorbing light energy. The main function of chloroplasts is photosynthesis, the process by which light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of organic molecules. This process is divided into 2 stages: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions. In the light-dependent reactions, light energy is absorbed by pigments in the thylakoid membranes, causing the formation of high-energy electrons. These electrons are passed along a series of electron carriers, generating a proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane. This proton gradient is then used to produce ATP, the main energy currency of the cell. The electrons are also used to generate NADPH, a molecule used in the light-independent reactions. In the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle, the ATP and NADPH produced in the light-dependent reactions are used to convert carbon dioxide into organic molecules, such as glucose. This process occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast and does not require light energy. Chloroplasts are essential organelles in plants and algae, playing a critical role in photosynthesis, which is responsible for the majority of the world's oxygen production and carbon fixation. The presence of chloroplasts is a major factor that distinguishes plant and algal cells from animal cells. The evolution of chloroplasts is thought to have occurred through endosymbiosis, where a free-living photosynthetic prokaryote was engulfed by a host cell and eventually evolved into an organelle. In addition to their role in photosynthesis, chloroplasts also have other functions. They can act as storage organelles for starch, lipids, and other molecules, and can also participate in various signaling pathways within the cell. Disruptions to chloroplast function can lead to a range of diseases and disorders in plants, including reduced growth and yield, as well as susceptibility to environmental stressors such as drought and high temperatures. Basically, chloroplasts are organelles found in plant and algal cells that are responsible for photosynthesis, the process by which light energy is converted into chemical energy. Chloroplasts contain a complex system of membranes and pigments that work together to capture and convert light energy. Chloroplasts are essential for plant and algal survival and are a major factor that distinguishes them from animal cells.